In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share out of office in Outlook and set up automatic replies so everyone knows when you're away. This is essential for maintaining professional communication, whether you're on vacation, out sick, or simply unavailable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to configure your out of office settings in Outlook Web, customize messages for internal and external contacts, and schedule them for specific time periods. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Outlook web interface. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the settings icon. This is the gear icon that gives you access to all your Outlook preferences and configurations. When the settings menu appears, select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the Quick Settings panel. This will open the full settings interface where you can customize everything about your Outlook experience. In the settings window, navigate to Account, then click on Automatic Replies. This is where you'll configure your out-of-office messages and control when they're sent to people trying to reach you. Now, turn on the Automatic Replies toggle at the top of the page. This activates the out-of-office feature, so Outlook will automatically respond to incoming emails while you're away. Next, check the box that says Send replies only during a time period. This is optional but highly recommended because it lets you schedule exactly when your out-of-office messages should be active. Set your start date and time for when you'll be leaving, and your end date and time for when you'll return. This ensures your automatic replies turn off automatically when you're back at work. In the first text box under the section for people inside your organization, type your out-of-office message. For this example, type out of office and we'll get back to you. Later, you can customize this message to be more specific about when you'll return or who to contact in your absence. Now, check the box that says send replies outside your organization. This lets you create a separate message for external senders like clients, vendors, or partners who aren't part of your company. In this text box, write a professional message for external contacts. You can also choose to send automatic replies only to people in your contacts list if you want to limit who receives your out-of-office notification. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the settings window to activate your automatic out-of-office email. Your settings are now live, and anyone who emails you during your specified time period will receive your automatic reply. And that's it. You've successfully set up your out-of-office automatic replies in Outlook with custom messages for both internal and external contacts. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Outlook tutorials.